हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए, commonly operating machines particularly used for technical and educational research. Next question, the brain of any computer systems is dash. Right answer is CPU. Next question, how many parts are there in CPU? Right answer is options B, 2. Next question, what is the full form of CPU? Right answer is options A, Central Processing Unit. Next question, CPU consists of dash. Right answer is ALU and CU. Next question, the first electrical computer was made in dash. Right answer is 1946. Next question, what was the name of first computer designed by Charles Babbage? Right answer is analytical engine. Next question, Fortran is called dash. Right answer is formula translator. Next question, which shortcut key is used to perform spell check? Right answer is F7. Next question, how many computer generations are there? Right answer is 5. Next question, what is the time periods of first generation's computer? Right answer is 1946 to 1959. Next question, in first generations of computers, which technology was used? Right answer is vacuum tube. Next question, how many types of memory are there? Right answer is 2. Next question, which of the following is the examples of volatile memory? Right answer is RAM. Next question, which of the following is the examples of input device? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, which of the following memory is non-volatile? Right answer is ROM. Next question, the part of CPU which performs all mathematical operation. Right answer is ALU. Next question, how many arrow keys are in keyboard? Right answer is options D, 4. Next question, how many types of softwares are? Right answer is options B, 2. Next question, which of the following is the examples of operating system? Options A, Windows, B, Linux, C, MS-DOS, D, all of these. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, which country has the largest internet user? Right answer is China. Next question, what does ISP stand for dash? Right answer is Internet Service Provider. Next question, what does TCP stand for dash? Right answer is Transmissions Control Protocol. Next question, which of the following is the best memory? Right answer is cache memory. Next question, network's interface card is an dash device. Right answer is input output. Next question, What is the names of the first computer network? Right answer is options B, ARPANET. Next question. Which of the following has the most storage capacity? Right answer is option C, DVD. Next question. What is a website's man page called? Right answer is options B, home page. Next question. Another terms of man memory is dash. Right answer is option C, RAM. Next question. Keyboard is the examples of dash device. Right answer is options A, input. Next question. Monitors is the examples of dash device. Right answer is options B, output device. Next question. How many function keys on keyboard? Right answer is option C, 12. Next question. RAM and ROMs is the examples of dash device. Right answer is storage. Next question. VDU stand for dash. Right answer is Visual Display Unit. Next question. The printed output from a computer is called dash. Right answer is hard copy. Next question. What is the full forms of PNG? Right answer is Portables Networks Graphic. Next question. Computers monitors is also known as. Right answer is VDU. Next question. HTML is used to create. Right answer is web page. Next question. Control plus C used for dash. Right answer is copy. Next question. What is the shortcut key of select all? Right answer is Control plus A. Next question. Control plus X is used for dash. Right answer is options A, cut. Next question. The two kinds of man memory are. Right answer is RAM and ROM. Next question. Operating systems is the examples of dash. Right answer is software. Next question. The main memory of computers is also known as. Right answer is primary. Next question. Email stands for dash. Right answer is electronic mail. Next question. Gmail stands for dash. Right answer is Google Mail. Next question. HDD is the examples of dash memory. Right answer is secondary. Next question. Which types of device is the computer's monitor? Right answer is output. Next question. Dot matrix is a types of dash device. Right answer is output device. Next question. How many types of printers are there? Right answer is options B, 2. Next question. What is the functions of a keyboard in computer? Right answer is input. Next question. Which types of device is a computer printer? Right answer is output. Next question. The most common input device are. Right answer is keyboards and mouse. Thank you.